Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And before you leave this channel, make sure you subscribe so you can get more updates and notifications once I upload new videos. So today I'll be talking about how to stop people from searching for your Facebook profile through phone number and emails. This has become a common thing by people, not just people, organizations, and you know people who blackmail people who don't really know much about you, but they just want to go out there and fish you out. So the easiest way for them to do that is they search on Facebook using your phone number or your email address, and they will get your profile immediately based on Facebook algorithm. So this video is going to teach you how to stop people from searching for your Facebook page, Facebook account using phone number and emails. So the first thing you do is you click on this part that has your icon, and don't forget I'm using Facebook app on mobile app. So you go to settings. So from settings you go to profile settings, and from profile settings you go to profile privacy. Now then you go to who can look you up using the email address you provided. Who can look you up using the email address you provided? Come here. Then if you want everyone to be able to do it, maybe you are a job seeker and you feel you don't have anything to hide, or you are not so concerned about privacy, then you can click on everyone. If you want your friends or friends, maybe the friends of your friends, to look up for you on Facebook using your email, then fine, you can click on this. Now if you want your own friends, the people you've added already, that are already your friends on Facebook, to add you up using your email address, you can tick on the third one. But for me, I want just me to be able to search for me on my Facebook account. So I don't want anybody to go to Facebook and start searching for me on Facebook with my phone number. I don't think it's proper for me at this stage of my life. So this is the easiest way to achieve that. You can actually block other persons from searching for you on Facebook using your email address. Now the same thing applies to your phone number. Who can look you up using the phone number you provided? Now for me, I want it to be only me. I don't want people searching for me on Facebook using my phone number, and that's it. So it depends on what you want. But if you want 100% privacy on the internet, I think this is the best option. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe before leaving my channel, and I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Have a good day.